In the aftermath of Ike. Look at Darnell's car. Zoom in, folks. Been nothing but tornacious weather out here, man. Trees on houses.
Hell, Doc.
You still trying to get that tree off your car, dog?
Trying to get this branch out.
Just back up out of there, dog.
Just gonna scratch that hoe up.
It ain't that thick of a branch, huh?
Huh?
It ain't that thick of a branch, huh?
Hell yeah, that's how a big ass branch. Ah. Yeah. What you got? You got a what?
My God. Look what I got him shook out there, folks.
Ma'am! Huh? Ain't nobody at the door. I just walked out of it. The door. I'm right here.
See the picture of the slab in the litter. Hello? Hello? Yeah, my fault. Tree fell. Laughing at my cousin messing with his car. Yeah.